Okay, in this training series, we're going to cover radiator replacement in automobiles. And a couple of reasons you could have to replace your radiator. One of the most common reasons is age. And what happens is due to calcium, lime, and rust deposits, also electrolysis that occurs between ethanol glycol or antifreeze and aluminum, it causes electrolysis or corrosive action to occur. And these particles and contaminants build up inside and start to block and reduce the passageways and reduce the radiator's ability to properly cool it, coolant, and thus keep the engine cool. Another reason is you could have a leak, and that's the case in this particular situation. A rock was kicked up through the air intake on the lower portion of the radiator and punctured a small hole in it. So we'll be replacing this radiator due to a leak. It's pretty straightforward. There are some minor things we have to look out for. Please watch our next segment and we'll cover safety.